In last video we saw how to get the summation, so in this video we are going to see how to get the subtraction. So I'm going to use the previous code because it's the same as previous code, but difference is only one line. So here I'm going to use message tree to give the subtraction, right? So subtraction sub this, and here it's getting the message 1, printing the message 1 and get the value for message 1 with the difference of subtracting 48 to get the ASCII number value. ASCII number value, that means when we get in the character 2 input, the variable saves the ASCII value 50 for character 2. So we have to subtract 48 to get the value 2. If not, it's not, it has a error that 48 difference will be saving the error. So when we subtracting or doing the summation or arithmetic operation, it's gonna use 50 or that value, that ASCII value, to do the operations. So it's gonna have that error inside that. So go to the next line and then message 2, print the message 2 and get in the value 2. Then go to the next line again, and here we need message 3 here. So I'm going to copy this, and after getting the next line, I'm gonna change the variable then to message 3, and here we have to subtract, right, from the register. So num1 has put num1 value to the DL register, then subtraction number 2 from the DL register, then adding that difference to DL register, and yeah, it's gonna print it. So we have to save this code now, and let's try it. Yeah. Now what's gonna happen is objective file again, test and 4 divided by sub 1. Right, okay. In next video we gonna see how to get the multiplication. So thank you.